Hi! Welcome to the late Cretaceous period, about 140 million years ago. I live in the land that is now known as Argentina. Yuck! That stuff tastes like, well, grass. Okay, as you may have guessed, I'm not a herbivore. A plant eater, like those Jubaria. I'm Gigantosaurus, the longest meat-eating dino who ever lived. You say my name like this. Jake and O-Saurus. It means giant southern lizard. Phew. I'm as big as a boat, and I'm just as heavy at 8 metric tons. You're looking at the biggest head of any theropod that ever lived. But I have the smallest brain. It's about the size of a banana.
Hi! I found you!
The only thing that really terrifies us Gigantosaurus is little sisters. Okay, sis. Wanna go hunting?
Yes! Will you do the roar for me?
Sure, sis. She likes it when I do that.
Oops, didn't see you there. Welcome to my forest 66 million years ago. I'm Leptoceratops. Leptoceratops. My name means skinny, horned face. It's good practice for when I get older, when I have to bonk heads with other dinos. We stand, look at the other guy, and bonk heads! Like this. Whoa! Good one. You see, lucky for me, I belong to a very special group of dinosaurs. We have these hard heads. It's like built-in safety gear. I have my own helmet. Oh, and see, we also have a beak, like a parrot. And we like to eat plants. I can walk on 2 legs or 4 legs. I'm powerfully built. Grrr. I'm about the same size as a horse, but much more powerful. Here, let me show you. Watch out! I think I better keep practicing, but somewhere else. Bye!
Oops, sorry about that. I thought that he might be hiding in there. Oh, by the way, I'm Megaraptor. That's Megaraptor. You may have noticed that I'm in a bit of a rush, so I haven't got a whole lot of time to chat. Aha! Hey, wait a sec! Come back here! I'm as tall as a diving board. Excuse me? I'm wondering if you can help me with something. It's Mother's Day, and I have no idea what to get my mum. Do you have any ideas? A bag of nuts! That would be a great idea. But nope, she hates nuts. We're carnivores, and we don't eat plants. That's a great idea! Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
Oh yeah! Welcome to the late Cretaceous period 70 million years ago. I'm a Gorgosaurus. That's Gorgosaurus. Mom! Now they're gonna think I'm just a kid. I can't wait till I get big. I'm going to be even scarier than my mom over there. Because that's what my name means. Fearsome lizard. I'm not as tall as she is yet, but one day I'll be 9 meters long. I'll be as long as a house. Gorgosaurus like me. Tyrannosaurus? Phew, that's a big word. But it has to be big just like us. Imagine, we're in the same dino family with T-Rex! See all the sharp teeth? We're meat eaters. And our teeth help us chew even the toughest meat. I'm from what is now known as Alberta, Canada. So when I get fully grown, watch out!
If you want to get big, you have to eat a good meal. And I've already called you for lunch 4 times.
Yes, Mom. Gotta go eat. See you later.
Whoa! I'm Masyakusaurus. You say it like this, Masyakusaurus. And my name means vicious lizard. Wow! The late Cretaceous period, about 68 million years ago, was a total blast. Yahoo! I'm a theropod, like the T-Rex, so I eat meat. But check these out. Okay, I look like I need to go to the dentist. But seriously, these teeth were made for fishing.
Hey, why can't we all just get along?
Because Masyakusaurus needs to eat.
So the fish.
Yikes!
Fish food, I mean.
Masyakusaurus are from what's now called Madagascar. And stay out! Thrown out of a lake by a fish. How embarrassing. Don't they know I'm a theropod, like a T-Rex? Whoa there, Rex. Would it help to know that he's not much bigger than a dog? I wasn't talking to you, T-Rex! But fish isn't the only thing I eat. Jackpot! Time for lunch. See you guys later.
Yo, welcome to my forest here in the late Jurassic period over 150 million years ago. That's a super duper long time ago. My name is Dryosaurus. High five. It's pretty easy to say my name. Dryosaurus. It means oak lizard. This is a cheek tooth. Sort of shaped like an oak leaf, don't you think? I come from Tanzania. That's the problem with meat eaters like him. They're always trying to get to know me better. Personally, I like knowing trees and plants. You know, with a little sprig or two of fern. That's just yummy. I might be little, but I'm fast. How little? I'm 3 meters long. Okay, you've probably noticed that I'm always running, but that's how I protect myself. Some dinosaurs have horns or really sharp teeth and claws, but I run really fast. And my tail helps me stay balanced when I make really sharp turns, like this. That's gonna leave a mark.
Awesome turn you did there, dude. High tail. On the down low.
Hey. Oops, gotta go. Bye. Now that's fast food.
Wow! Hey! Hi! Welcome to the late Jurassic period 150 million years ago. I'm Othnelia. You say that Oth-ne-li-ya. And I'm in the best game of tag I've ever played.
Hey, he's right behind us.
Nah, he'll never tag us. We're way too fast. I mean, look at me. I'm built for speed. My stiff tail gives me balance to make super sharp turns. You can't tag me.
Come here, you little herbivore. I'm not playing. I need to tell you something.
Yeah, right. Why are you chasing me if you're not playing? He's right about me being a herbivore. That's a plant eater. But I'm not that little. I'm about the same size as a big dog, but with my tail, I'm much, much longer. Sorry, Al. You'll have to be quicker than that to tag me. I have lots of room to run around here in what's now known as Wyoming, USA.
Come back here. I just need to tell you something.
Hey! Why'd you stop? Okay, fine. What did you want to tell me?
Well, it's very serious. It's very, very serious. Tag, you're it.
I can't believe I fell for that. Ready or not, here I come.
Be very, very quiet. I'm on the hunt. Or am I being hunted? I'm Nickwebbosaurus. That's Nickwebbosaurus. The first dino ever to have a tongue click in his name. Hurry. We must keep going. I'm being followed. I may not be big, but I'll have you know I am the great uncle to the powerful and famous T-Rex. In 50 million years, T-Rex will be crowned king of the dinosaurs, and he'll have me to thank. Dinos like me have been found in what is now known as Africa. Though I'm not as large as a T-Rex, I'm still all carnivore. I eat insects and small lizards. My hands help me a lot because though I have only 3 fingers, one is like a thumb, making grabbing much easier. And these claws, razor sharp. They help me climb when there are no branches. My talents are hiding and sneaking around. I am super duper at being quiet and, well, invisible really. But sometimes...
We're also very, very jumpy.
Hey!
Those guys make me laugh.
Yes, there you go. Well, hello. I'm Mutable Soros. Yeah, say it with me. Mutable Soros. And welcome to the early Cretaceous period. Yes, I'm named after Mutabura, the place where they found my fossil in what is now known as Australia. As you can see, I'm at the top of my game when it comes to eating these cicada trees.
But how's your honking?
Bruce. He can honk louder than any Mutabosaurus around. Yes, you see, we have these little honkers up here on our heads that we make our calls from.
I challenge you to a honk off.
A honk off, eh? Yeah, you're on. I'm a pretty big dino. I'm 9 meters long, and I'm a herbivore.
Not bad, but try this one.
Good, that was a real good one. Uh-oh, we seem to have called the whole herd over.
Well, since we're all here, why don't we have a honk along?
Great idea. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Maso spondulous. You say it like this, Maso spondulous. I'm trying to think of what I can do for the Dino Talent Show. It helps to have hands that let me grab things, or I'd never be able to do this. My name means massive vertebra. Those are the bones in my neck. Here, take a look. Now that's a lot of neck. I live in what is now called South Africa. I'm about the same size as an elephant, but I weigh a lot less because my bones are hollow and I have air sacs that make me lighter. That's how I can be so light on my feet. I know! I could tap dance in for the talent show. Maybe not dancing. Oh, I know! I love to sing. Listen. La 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 la. Well, what do you think of my singing? I guess I need to practice more. I wish there was something else I could do for the Dino Talent Show. Something I was good at. Oh well, I'm sure it'll come to me. See you at the talent show.